Let's make some sweet chocolatey snacks. Start off with a date and split it open. I first saw this from another creator. I'll put her information down below. I just tweaked it a bit, but you can check hers out to see her take on it. I used crunchy peanut butter. When my husband tasted the finished product, he thought I used too much peanut butter, but that's blasphemous because is there such thing as too much? I also use salted caramel chocolate, but you could pretty much use any type of chocolate and melt it down. Then you want to cover the date. I probably should have used a fork because this got pretty messy. I only used 2 dates for like a tester to make sure that I liked it. I sprinkled pink Himalayan salt on one for extra saltiness. And then you put them in the refrigerator, and let them set for a little while until they're hard. Both were so good, salted and unsalted. I really like that I used a different type of chocolate. I hope you enjoy. Dates are good for a whole host of things. Brain health, immunity, energy, just overall good.